The row. The lead is taken by Morning Na. Sir. Moving up to take second, I Will Survive. Louis Stars by the rail. Then comes Loretta Pravda. Moving up on the outside. Then in between runners is Forever Legacy. Running on the outside is entry number 12, LGV. Next in line is Manila's Queen. About to pass the last 600. Morning Na, sir. In command by about 3 lengths. Running now in second is Pravda. I Will Survive running by the rail down in 40s Forever Legacy as they turn to the final 400 meters. Stretch run of Santa Ana Park. Morning Na, sir, is still in command. Pravda remains in second and Loretta moving up to take third. I Will Survive Forever Legacy is by the rail and on the outside is Manila's Queen. From start to finish, Morning Na, sir. Second, Manila's Queen, Louis Star, Pravda. Then comes I Will Survive and Loretta for your Super Sais.